guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome you to Sefwi Juaboso.
Jaosa township is the capital of Jaosa district, which is located in the western north region of Ghana. And today, we tour this beautiful town from above. So just before us is the Catholic Church. And we have the ECG office at the left side. One thing you notice throughout this video is this town is very rich in vegetation. You can see there's a lot of trees and a lot of grass, and this town is very green. And at the far end is the Gridco and ECG substation. That's the right there. And this is the campus of Juaboso Senior High School. One thing I like about this campus is how green the campus looks. There are a lot of trees. And this is KFE Lodge. The main hotel is located in town, and this is their lodge. And the place is very serene and the rooms are very nice. So this is the area behind the secondary school. So this is the central part of Jaosa township. So you can see the town park. To the right of the town park is the Pentecost church, and to the left, the green building, is the community center. So this is the part where I like to call the old town, the main Juaboso township. This is the lorry station. And it's followed by the town markets. So what you are looking at now is the marketplace. So from here, you can have a better view of the community center, right next to the town park. And the big building with the green roof right ahead is the Christ Apostolic Church, also known as CAC. So this leads us into the Juaboso Government Hospital. We are currently flying over the government hospital. And this building right ahead is the Kiafi Hotel itself. The previous one was the lodge, and this is the hotel. And just behind it is the Jaosa police station. So this is the road that leads to Afari from Juaboso. And this part is where I like to consider as the new site of Juaboso. You will notice there's a town at the far end. That is Afari Township. You will notice most of the buildings here are new buildings, and that's why I like to consider this place as the new site of Jaosa. And this is the road that also leads to Dadieso, as well as Inche from Sefwi Juaboso. This is one of their government buildings, but I don't remember which actual institution this is. So if you know, let us know in the comment section. Which institution owns this building? So we are getting to the end of our tour. I'd like to say a very big thank you to all those supporting this channel. If this is your first time and you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so that you get a notification anytime you post on this channel. Don't forget to like, as this motivates us to do more. And let's get interactive in the comment section. Till we meet again, I love you all and God bless us all. Bye bye.